connector for connecting to any data source. The Looker also has a wide variety of connectors. However, for some of the data sources, it has to leverage some sort of third-party data connector or sometimes API. Data volume, which we can store. Basically, in Power BI and Tableau, you have the option of extracting the data as well. You can have the direct connection, but also sometimes for the development, you can extract the data. So you have data limit. So in Power BI, the data volume is 10 GB. When you are developing, when you are importing the data, you can store till 10 GB of data, not beyond that. However, in Tableau, it has the number of rows that you can store. But when it comes to the storage volume, it's gonna be 1 GB if you're having the extract mode. Looker, since it is directly connected, it doesn't have any limit of storing, since it is completely cloud-based. Okay. Here, as we discussed, Power BI and Tableau would be having on-prem infrastructure as well. That would be used by the developers for the development of the report. And once the development is done, that can be published on cloud or any browser that the company is using. However, Looker is completely browser-based. The development, the production, the sharing, everything is done on the browser. It's just that in Looker, we have separate instances. We have developer mode, we have a production mode. So whoever is using the development mode will not impact the data in production until and unless the data has been approved. Okay, so this is how they are dealing with the development and production one. In terms of visualization, Power BI and Tableau, they both are coming along with a big variety of visualization. Power BI has recently come up and added more visuals to it. However, in terms of visualization option, Looker has comparatively less visuals available for the usage of the business user. Then we have integration. We have Git integration generally, when also we have to look over the version controlling. So Power BI Tableau doesn't come up with any integration with Git for the version controlling. However, Looker provides you this benefit. So in case if you want to control the version, if you want to get back to a version which was saved a day before yesterday, that was the final one. So you have the option of getting that thing done in Looker because it has all the commits. Then we have the query. Now the way we do the calculations in Looker we use LookML for creation of dimension measures and all the calculation. However, in Power BI we have a query called DAX, which is data analytical expression. And in Tableau, it generally uses the base formula as we use in Excel. So the Tableau doesn't have any separate language using which you're gonna create your calculations and all.